Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I'm coming back to you today with a video showcasing the GBP NZD pair. Now, for those of you that know, that is my pair of choice. What I decided to do, and I didn't mention this in my last video, but I woke up to a fantastic situation with the GBP NZD pair. And I thought I would do something that would help you guys out. So basically, let me show you this before I get into that. So if you see here, the market has fallen significantly over the last couple days. Fell from this area, and this area, of course, is the area of where the market has fallen to. And actually, if you notice, the market has respected this level in the past, as you see. So we know this is a great level. So I happen to catch this move. Now this move here was, and it's still falling. 2 days, over 700 pips. Amazing. If you guys do not know already, if you do not know, the GBP and NZD pair moves. It moves like crazy. Now, I made a video last week sometime about this area right here where the market had gapped up from. Alright? The market gapped up. When the market gaps up on the daily chart, this was a 200 some pip gap up. Alright? So it gapped up 260 some pips, and then it kept going, and it reached this area here, and then as you see, it fell down and came back up to there, and as you see, since then it actually fell below, but has gone back up. But see how it had risen or rose? I always say that, but it had gone back to this area that was once where the gap was. Now, coincidentally enough, this same area, the market had actually, where is it at? The market had actually gapped down in this same area. Well, not far from it, but from here, the market gapped down, and then now you see a market pull through that entire area. So it's amazing to have caught this move, because of the, you have different levels of support here. I could draw a level here, I could draw a level here. I went on and I closed out. All right, and oh, you know what? Let me see. I think I still have it. Yeah, this is it. This is it. So this was this morning. I closed out on these trades, and as you see, it got in at 215.117, closed out at 211.828. So 215.117 is where I got in. Let's see, 215. So I got in there. The market broke below this level, so I got in. All right, and when I saw that it broke below that level, I got in and I wrote it down, and then I got in again. So that was a great. Let me go back to that. This was a great move here. And that's what you want to capitalize on. You want to capitalize on these moves. So as you see, that was a profit of over $27,000. And some of you might think, man, that can't be real. Well, you can do the math. You can do the math. This right here, this is what I love doing. I love the day chart. This is what I show my students, how to capitalize on these big moves like this. Capitalize on them. You too can realize profit this way. So even if I had taken the market from up here, because I saw the market had fallen and it had engulfed this area, I got in when the price had went past this area here. So that's why where I got in at allowed me to catch this wave on down. So it was actually half of the actual move, but even still, it was still a great move. All right. So I wanted to show you guys that, and so you see now where the market. So basically, if the market fell from here, you guys should know that wherever it plants its foot, that's where it's going to probably go up from. Very simple. It's just logic. Now, it could continue going down, ebb and flow down to a lower level. It could. But this is when you watch the market closely, okay? Now, let's see. I think I had another one too, the GBP AUD. Now, this one right here, I got in on this one. And the GBP AUD, let me see, GBP AUD, this was a profit of $13,000. I mean, it's really like, and that's what trading. Sometimes when you're trading, you know, one currency, it can happen like that. The GBP NZD went down. The GBP AUD went down. Let's look at the GBP AUD. So the GBP AUD, as you see, it too went down. All right. So, and it had fallen from an obvious level. It looks to be, this is, the market went sideways here, and the market did gap down here. So we could be sitting at a support. We could see the price possibly go no farther than this, and that's why it was good that I went on and I closed out my trade, because I like to protect if I see the money there, I'm just going to take it, especially if it's at a level. If it breaks through and I realize that okay, it's going to keep going, it's going to go to the next level, so then I'll get back in. But for right now, I think I've done enough. That was just off 2 trades, over $40,000. You know, you guys have to definitely, these numbers are real. These pairs, they move. I mean, you're talking 500 pips. The GBP NZD, another one. This thing, it moves. You know, so you have to realize the opportunity and don't sit back and just think that, oh, it's too good to be true. Like, this is the way the market it does. It's there are more opportunities on the day chart, although on the hourly chart and the 30-minute chart you might see a lot of ups and downs, but the moves on the daily chart are far more stronger than what you could see on the lower time frame. So if you guys haven't seen enough yet, if you haven't been convinced yet, I don't know what to tell you, because this is so real, and you have to realize, like, even if I didn't see this, I knew that we were at a level. I see a pullback, and that's probably a 100-some pip or 200 pip pullback. This is the GBP NZD, 200 pip pullback. So that tells me there's obvious resistance there. The market, it did go back up, but it declined. When you look at the GBP AUD, same thing. There's a pullback. You see wicks up there. You see wicks up here. The market went down. You see wicks down low. The market went up. Now, that's not to say every time you see a wick, it's going to go in the opposite direction. It's just if you find them longer wicks at areas of support and resistance, there's a stronger chance that it might turn around. So I just wanted to point this out to you guys and just show you just how real this is. And that's what actually, you know, I mentioned. I wanted to share something with you guys, but that was, waking up to that was nice. I mean, I woke up and I was $20-some thousand in the profit. That's really amazing. You guys gotta excuse me, but my allergies are really bothering me. And but to be $20,000 in a profit, that's amazing. But it's just using this strategy over and over and over again. It's so easy, so simple. You wait for the biggest moves, you capitalize on them. Excuse me, but I've had a long night, and I had an early morning, and I want to point out something to you guys. If you see the market bouncing from one area constantly, it bounces at this area constantly, and then if it returns back to the area, you can expect for it to bounce again. That's all I'm gonna leave you with. So I want you guys to take that for what it's worth. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning into this video. I would just like for you guys to take heed to what I am bringing forth to you, because this type of trading is one that can be realized very simple. It's very simple, very easy to do. You just have to apply yourself and get under good training. All right. So until next time, you guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys later. All right.